Hey guys, Dave Jones and Son.
Yeah.
Brookville, Ohio, community picnic. I sound a little tired and wiped out because it's like 110 degrees out here today. Swing you around in a circle. We'll start over here. Big old beautiful steam engines. For some reason they're all burning wood here. At the kitty cat.
Richmond, Indiana. How about that for steam plants? It's a gravel parking lot, just like the morning. Oh, I'd make an excellent video.
Alright.
That'd be a drive past Rockford that up to that town with the museum in it.
Hey, old greasy pig.
Total lost source system. Just dumps it on the ground.
Yeah, the sawmill isn't going, but I don't blame them one bit. Looks like it's dinner time. It's too hot for that shit.
I think that one was up Miami Valley Steam Crushers last weekend too.
Yeah, because I think I remember the
Nintendo.
steam engine heaven.
I don't think it's running. It's cold.
Yeah, I think this guy was at Plain City too.
They don't see many oil engines anymore. Think about it, it's pretty much a diesel engine.
Yeah, I think it is kind of basically a diesel, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think you guys just spend all summer going from tractor show to tractor show.
Maybe this winter we can do those videos, museums and stuff. Maybe a winter type YouTube videos. Cincinnati Museum, that one outside Washington had a. So you can bring those videos for the winter. That thing was 100 years old in 1985.
22 horsepower.
That thing was 100 years old when your car was brand new.
Mm-hmm. Like they're probably steaming corn.
She's pretty much shut down for the day. She's down on Brookville.
Still toasty hot though. Whew. Yeah, well, that sun's being a bear. Somebody gnawing on the back of my leg.
I think they had a fan attachment here last year.
I don't know if this little camera's supposed to get this hot or not.
What?
I don't know if this little camera is supposed to get this hot.
I don't know.
It is like cooking. Green Acres is the place for me. Farm living. Oh, that's a John Deere.
Yeah. It looks like something for Green Acres, doesn't it?
Yeah.
People probably don't even know what that is.
No. That was kind of a goofy television show.
Hey, New York is the place for me. Now get the hell out of New York.
Oh, now you're probably offending a bunch of people. New York is great. Been to Staten Island once. Never made it across to Manhattan. We was working on that Intrepid aircraft carrier. That was an interesting job. A couple times during break time I'd sneak off and go exploring down in the ship.
Holy crap, is that the zip tie master?
Ooh-wee. That's a fancy zip tie.
Yeah, no crap.
$1937. I hit and miss engine just barely. hotter. Going good. Yeah, in the winter time, I complain I can't wait for summer. Now that summer's here, I can't wait for fall.
I think fall would be a great time to go on vacation.
Yeah.
I'm thinking October. What do you think?
I'm ready to go now, but I can't stand the heat.
I want to bring a lawn chair with me, just sit in the river with Gatney's.
Yeah.
Drink a beer. But you probably get in trouble for that. So you're not supposed to be sitting in the river and drinking beers. Why not?
I don't know. I don't think you're allowed to drink alcohol in the park, are you?
No.
Huh.
They will do that every damn time. These aren't beers, these are Mountain Dews.
Propane and propane accessories.
Damn it, Bobby.
Damn it, Kevin. McCormick. Didn't they make spices or something?
Yeah. I told you that boy ain't right in the head.
Yeah, we know that. Farmall. That was my old bones creaking. That wasn't the camera. I like the orange. Getting to the point I like any color. Seems like everything's going black and gray, so I'm starting to appreciate some of these colors more and more.
Didn't this one have different fill filter on it yesterday? Other than the other one.
Updraft carburetor.
I think one of us came before mine before I seen good.
Part of a Model T. And a bottle cap off a Coke bottle. Airport tug.
Yeah.
little motor in there. Earthmaster. Oh, look at this little bulldozer. Dozer.
Alice Chalmers had mows at one time. Never seen a healthy lawnmower with one of these on display.
Huh.
Maybe those things are real.
I think they were just cheap little riding lawnmowers and they just got used, abused, and tossed.
Yeah, maybe the one I got, maybe I should take care of a few of them.
Yeah, he's got a 1953 Huffy riding lawnmower in the garage. Some nice looking Chevys. Yeah, I don't care if Ford, Chevy, or Dodge, man. That's still a beautiful old truck. Back when a truck was just a get her done.
Yeah.
Yeah, 8-foot bed.
I figured out leverage.
8-foot bed. You can actually put a sheet of plywood in there and close the tailgate. You don't have to go and get yourself a trailer to hook to it.
Where you going?
You gotta stay with them. You stay with parents.
I like the running lights on the cab. You think those are heated seats?
No,
Heated mirrors?
no.
We got traction control and power glide and snow ABS and PBS, and
You just have to drive.
you had to know how to drive. It didn't have ABS?
No, you just kind of didn't just keep sliding your foot on the brake and stuff flying on ice and snow. You just had to know how to stop in ice and snow. I'm probably the only person left that can kind of do it. I drive without that crap. That thing looks safe.
Well, let's think about another 10 years, this is going to be the only thing at the tractor show. We got a lawnmower.
Oh, look at this. I like the pin on there. That way if the pin lets go, guess where the tractor's going? It's like, see you later.
Alrighty, that was kind of the tractor show at the Brookville picnic. The rest is just food and your normal stuff. You got your ice cream and
Food over there.
food.
That's a bouncy house.
Yeah, finish it off with this pretty old girl. Yeah, I probably said it over and over and over. You're probably sick of hearing it, but like and subscribe. Without subscribers,